Hello dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Priya Malhotra and today I tell you about Adriana Chekik biography. Desiree Christina Charles is a stunner of the naughty film industry who is mostly known by the name of Adriana Chekik. She is a drop-dead gorgeous 18-plus actress of English, Serbian and Russian origin. Adriana Chekik started her journey of being famous as a stripper after she left school midway and achieved the general education department. She's 5 feet 3 inches tall, and a dewy green-eyed brunette. She was born in California on November 30, 1992. Her educational background comprises of her pursuit in the segment of biochemistry from Drexel University. Adriana Chekik indulged in this specific career at the young age of 21 and since then there has been no looking back. She has been working with a number of X-rated websites like The Bang Bros, Naughty America, Pink Fine Art and a lot more which has gained popularity over the years. Now let us take a look at some of the other specifications of this model-turned-naughty industry actress to know more about her and create the best of the biography. Information about Adriana Chekik. Adriana Chekik has a zodiac sign of Scorpio and by occupation, she is not only a naughty star but also a glamour model. By nationality, she is Americana and she has grown in foster care in her younger years. Her hair color is dark brown and she identifies her identity as bisexual. As per her height, she has an optimum body weight of 51 kilograms and slim in build. According to recent records, her body dimensions are 32, 24, 33 inches which when measured in cm ranges to 81 to 61 to 84 centimeters. She is happily single and has been progressing in her career for a couple of years with success. She is a very well-known face in the naughty industry who has been able to work with a number of famous 18-plus stars. Her life as a stripper ended when she got out of Scarlett's Cabaret in Florida and stepped into the world of adult industry. She has been a good professional star in the companies like The Third Degree, Lethal Hardcore as well as the New Sensations. Adriana Chekik's journey in the naughty film industry started in the year 2013 and her stage name can be traced back to the name of the horror film director David Chekik. In the month of May 2013, she first signed a contract with the company Erotic Entertainment. It is a wonder that Chekik has been with only one guy before she actually stepped into the adult industry. Actually wonderful how she could adapt to this magnanimous dimension being sexually naive. She entered this industry in May 2013 and by the time November 7th dawned, she was already a participant in her first gangbang movie for Digital Sin known as This Is My First, a gangbang movie. By 2014 she had already taken part in a triple anal movie named Gang Bang Me. On the date of September 5, 2014, she had her own website in the name of adrianachekik.com which was published on the Cherry Pimps network. She made a public appearance on The Howard Stern Show on August 12, 2014. And she made a page appearance in the sexy/skanky page of the very reputed Cosmopolitan magazine which is quite an achievement in such a short span of time. Talking about the rewards and recognition, awards and nominations, Adriana Chekik has been entitled to a total of 16 wins and 54 nominations to date and the figures are still counting. Coming from foster care and being an absolute orphan, Adriana Chekik has been able to create a benchmark in the industry of naughty films. Now let us take a look at some of her wins that she has achieved so far. As an actress, she has worked for leading industry studios such as Evil Angel, Girlfriends Films, Hustler, Tushy, Blacked, Hard X, New Sensations, Mile High, Third Degree, Penthouse, Naughty America, Jules Jordan Video or Brazzers, among others. Until now, he has worked on more than 440 films. Adriana Chekik net worth. The pretty and talented Adriana Chekik is an American naughty actress. Adriana Chekik net worth is a pretty good amount. At present, Adriana Chekik age is 28 now. Adriana Chekik net worth estimated around $3 million as of 2019. The main source of Adriana Chekik net worth is her profession. As an American naughty actress, she works in more than 440 films. From those Adriana Chekik net worth, which is growing in the present stage. We hope in 2020 when Adriana Chekik age will 29, then Adriana Chekik net worth will increase to more than $4 million. Adriana Chekik awards and achievements. Best Anal Scene of Internal Damnation 8 in the year 2015. Title of the Most Outrageous Scene with Manuel Ferrara in Internal Damnation 8 in the year 2015. She won the Best Body Award in 2016 as per Editor's Choice. She also won the Best Female Performer 2016 as per Fan Choice and the Best Female Performer 2017 as per Fan Choice. As per the XRCO Awards, she has won the awards of Super Slut and Orgasmic Analyst in the year 2015 itself and the Female Performer of the Year in the year 2017. As per the XB's Awards, she has won the 2015 award of Best Scene Non-Feature Release from the film Gang Bang Me and the 2019 award of the Best Scene Vignette Release in the film After Dark. She has a performer credit of 628 points, which makes her one of the best in the industry. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.